Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Meks Journey here. Planner Girl Meek is my planner Instagram. Thank you so much for clicking on this channel and clicking on this video, should I say. But right now I am showing you the Happy Place kit, and then down here I have grabbed the stuff that I like to use, and just like magic, look at that. Did you see how fast I put that washi banner down? Not washi banner with the glitter headers. Yeah, I went ahead and did that off camera to save time. But right now I am trying to decide which glitter header I wanted to use for my sidebar. My sidebar, I think my sidebar always makes my kit. If I don't have a good sidebar, I don't think my kit will stand out. I don't know. Do you guys have something in your kits where you're like, if this isn't right, none of it is right? It's like it's got to start all over from the drawing board. But right now, I am laying down these full boxes, and these full boxes are so cute. You will get a zoomed in look in a minute. But the colors, I don't know if I've told you guys before, but I love warm earth tone colors. I love browns, soft pinks, tans, and browns. My wedding colors were red and brown. So yes, these are definitely my vibe. This is my style of planning. But here you go. Look at that. It's beautiful. I kept changing my mind, but I definitely finalized how I wanted that to look. And it was cuteness, honey. Because I definitely used that teddy bear one. Yep, there we go. But yes, this is the January Same But Different. The PR girls, we all do this kit along with we put a comment. There's always a post in the Facebook group that lets you all know that we are all doing this kit for Same But Different, and we just love to see what you come up with. We all have different planners, different sizes, and we just like to see what the kits look like in various different planners. So it's always fun to see what everyone else comes up with. We're all using the same kit, but there's just different styles, different vibes, and it's really cool. And I know the shop owner, she really loves to see the differences, with her kits. And yeah, look at this. Look, y'all, look, it's just beautiful. Okay, right now I am working on my digital washi banner. What? So excited that I finally figured out how to do that. I think it finally clicked in my brain in the December Christmas weekly spread where I was like, Meeks, use the knife tool. Hello. So this week I actually added in some of the glitter headers with the bow headers to do my washi banner to make her bling a little bit. Yes, honey, it looks so good. Love how this turned out. So thankful that the shop owner always adds in the bow headers and the glitter headers, and you can just rotate them 90 degrees and boom, there you go. So here I am and putting down the weekend banner sign, and that is that section of my planner. Now I'm placing my, excuse me, I got a little tongue tied there. I'm placing down my bottom washi from the kit. It's just beautiful. I had to use it, and the bottom washi, the thicker bar, kind of reminds me of like Louis Vuitton. Am I the only one that thought of that? It reminds me of those Louis Vuitton planner covers that everyone's using. I'm not a big Louis girl. Don't come for me. I am a Coach Vera Bradley girl. That's my style of purse. I know those are like two totally different dynamics, but that's just what I like. So right now here I am putting down my date covers, and I use the ones from the shop. I've been doing that a lot lately. Like I used to use all of the date covers from another shop. And when I started doing my digital plan with me's using Silhouette Studio, it just, I don't know, I just kept with the kit um, date covers, and I just love the way it looks and it just flows together. So yeah, So I am on the search for a new planner, y'all. My planner is getting to the point where she is so thickums that it's hard to place my little templates down in her. She's getting big. And I know I like to look back on like my favorite spreads, and now that I've kind of got my flow, I kind of want to start putting my kits in my new planner. So I think by April will be the last time I use my Plum planner. I'm not sure if I want to get another Plum planner. I really, really love the layout of my Plum planner, so I may just get another one and stick with it. But there's so many different new ones out there. I don't know. Should I stick with what I got, or should I just try a different one? You guys tell me. Give me some suggestions because I definitely will keep using my template. So I guess it really doesn't matter which one I use. I could even go to Michael's and get a recollections planner and call it a day. Which is what I might do. I don't know. I still got to look around. But here I'm grabbing some stickers from my favorite PR Squad girls. All of their stickers are on here. You can only see, oh, there you go. You can see some more of theirs. But I have a silhouette file where I have all of the girls' stickers in there. And yeah, that one is from Plan to Be Extra. On Instagram, I use her freebie sheet because I loved the way that laptop and planner look together with the glasses. But now I am laying down that I had a Facebook post. I washed my hair, and this one here says "Sad Day at the Capitol," just so I can, look back and know that I did witness that via TV, and now I'm just straightening up my boxes and doing all of that. At the end of this video, you will not see me placing down this kit in my planner. Don't come for me. My phone was having technical difficulties, but you will see me do a zoom over of everything. And as always, I truly appreciate you all for checking out this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check y'all in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. And in the next clip, you will see this placed down in my planner, and right now you will see it in my digital. But I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe.